students, greeting of the day. Welcome to chemistry class of standard 9 by Shumita Hajra. I will explain you all in English and Hindi both so that it is easy for you all to understand. Let's start the chapter 2 is matter around us pure and the topic solution. Now, the first of all, what is solution? What is a solution? Now, the first of all, what is a solution? So, what is a solution? The mixture of the solid dissolved in a liquid is known as solution. This is also known as solution, or solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more solids, liquid and gases which do not react with each other. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? सॉल्यूशन क्या है? सॉल्यूशन एक घोल है या मिश्रण है जिसमें हम लोग दो कंपोनेंट्स को एक साथ मिक्सअप करने के बाद वो कंप्लीटली घुल जाता है, उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? सो solution is a mixture of the solid dissolved in a liquid is known as solution. Clear, students? The mixture of the solid dissolved in a liquid is known as solution, or the other definition, solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more solids, liquids or gases which do not react with each other. Clear, student? What is a solution? The mixture of the solid dissolved in a liquid is known as solution, or solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more solids, liquids or gases which do not react with each other. Now, a solution is sometimes also called a true solution. A solution is sometimes also called a true solution. So that means solution is also called true solution. Clear? A solution is sometimes also called a true solution. That means the solution is also called true solution. The constituent particles are dissolved completely. This is called the solution. Now, the next point is components of a solution. Components of a solution. So components of a solution: solute solvent is equal to solution. This means such solution such solutions have only two constituent or components these are known as solute and solvent. Okay, clear student? For examples, we dissolve salt in water, salt NaCl, salt in water to prepare for example, we dissolve salt in water to prepare the salt solution. In this solution, salt acts as a solute and water as the solvent. So now we will start one activity, how to make solution. So look at here students, this is the water, so this is called solvent. Now we will put some salt in this water and we are stir gently. Look at here. After few minutes, you all will observe the salt particles will be disappear. Now students, look at here. This is called the solution. We will mix up two constituent, that is also water and also salt. We are dissolved to each other, or mixed to each other. It completely dissolved to each other. Look at here, and this is called the solution. So solute and solvent is equal to solution. Clear student? This is called true solution and this is also homogeneous mixture. Okay. Now the next topic, types of solution. Now the next point, types of solution. Types of solution: solid solution, liquid solution and gaseous solution. So solid solution, liquid solution and gaseous solution. Solid solution, in this solid acts as the solvent. Liquid solution, in this liquid acts as the solvent. And the last gaseous solution, in this gaseous acts as the solvent. Okay. Now the next point is Bioneer solution. What is the Bioneer solution? Binary solution. In a solution, any number of components may be present. The solution in which only two components, that is a solute and solvent, are present is called a binary solution. Okay, student? So, in a solution, any number components may be present. The solution in which only two components that is a solute and a solvent are present is called a binary solution. Okay. Now the types of binary solution: solute, solvent, and examples. Solid solution example: solid solution, solute gas, and solvent solid. Both are mixed to each other. The example: gases present on metal surface under high pressure. Example: nitrogen and hydrogen on the surface of nickel metal. Clear, student? So next is solute is liquid and solvent is solid. So the next, salts having water or crystallization or hydrated salts. Hydrated salts means without water. Example: blue vitriol or hydrated copper sulfate. So the copper sulfate, hydrated of copper sulfate, its color is white, colorless. Okay, so that's why it's a vitriol or hydrated copper sulfate, means without water molecules, without water molecules or without present in water molecules in this copper sulfate. Okay, so now the next is solid. Solute is solid and solvent is solid. Both are the solid. So the Examples: alloys like brass or German silver, etc. Clear? Now the next, liquid solution. Liquid solution, gas, solute and solvent, liquid. So aerated drinks, here carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water under pressure. Liquid, solute and solvent also liquid, means both are the liquid. So mixture of two miscible liquids, that is water and alcohol. This is called miscible. Miscible means both are mixed, both liquid are mixed to each other completely. So this is called the miscible. And the next is solute, is also solid, and solvent is liquid. So the sugar, common salt and other salts dissolve in water. And the next is gaseous solution. So gaseous solution, solute solid and the solvent is gas. So in the sublimation, the vapor of solid substance, example iodine, are present in air. Solute is liquid and solvent is gas. So the clouds are clouds and fog, your water drops or liquid are dissolved in air. Air means gas. So the last one is solute is gas and solvent is gas. So air represents a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and vapors, etc. Clear, student? So now we'll continue properties of a solution. Properties of a solution or true solution. Properties of a solution or true solution. First point, a solution is always homogeneous. A solution is always homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. That is, it has the same composition throughout. Same composition throughout the solution. Clear? Second point, a solution has two components. Has two components. Solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. Next point, all the components in a solution are present in the same phase. All the components in a solution are present in the same phase. Now the next point, the size of the solute particle particles is extremely small. Extremely small. It's less than 1 nm, or that is 10 to the power minus 9 m. Nm means nanometer. Okay, Nm means nanometer. Now the next point, the solute particles pass through the filter paper. The solute particles pass through the filter paper and no residue is left. So that means a true solution or solution cannot be separated from the solvent by filtration. Clear? Now the next point, the properties of a solute are retained in the solution. The properties of a solute are retained in the solution. Okay, the properties of a solute are retained in the solution means solute के जो properties होते हैं वो solution में ही retain कर जाता है, means रह जाता है. Okay, now the next point, a solution does not scattered. A solution does not scattered. A solution does not scatter light due to the small size of the solute particle, particles. Means solute particles का size इतने छोटे होते हैं ट्रू सॉल्यूशन और सॉल्यूशन में जो लाइट को स्कैटर्ड नहीं होने देता या पास नहीं करने देता, does not scattered. So this is also called Tyndall effect, means the solution does not show Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect, in this point we shall discuss this point a little later in the present chapter. Okay, so the next point, it is transparent. It is transparent. So light can pass through it. It is transparent, that is light can pass through it. We already observed the activity. So true solution or solution, you all will observe this is crystal clear, means transparent. So the true solution or solution, it is transparent, that is light can pass through it. Okay. Now the next point is aqueous solution. What is the aqueous solution? Aqueous solution, when a solute is dissolved in water, the solution is called an aqueous solution. For example, sugar in water, salt in water. Non-aqueous solution, so this is also when a solute is dissolved in a solvent other than water. Means solvent is not water. other than water. That is also alcohol, iodine dissolved in alcohol, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, etc. So now first is, the point is aqueous solution. What is the aqueous solution? Now when a solute is dissolved in water, the solution is called an aqueous solution. For example, salt solution, salt in water, sugar in water, is called aqueous solution. Clear? Now the next point is non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. When a solute is dissolved in a solvent, other than water, means जब सॉल्यूट वाटर के बिना अदर कोई सॉल्वेंट के साथ जब मिक्सअप होता है या डिसॉल्व होता है, उसे हम लोग नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. और एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में क्या होता है, जो सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स होता है वो वाटर के साथ मिक्सअप होता है. क्लियर? सो देन वाटर, इट इज कॉल्ड नॉन एक्वस. aqua means होता है water. So non-aqueous means जिसमें without water. So that's why it's called non-aqueous. क्यों? क्योंकि इस solution में without water ही ये solution बनता है. So that's why it's called this solution non-aqueous. Non-aqueous solution. For example, for examples, iodine is the solute and alcohol behave as the alcohol is the solvent in this solution. Solution is known as tincture iodine. Tincture of iodine. Clear? So this is very important question. What is the tincture of iodine, or what type of components mix with of this tincture of iodine? So what is the tincture of iodine? Iodine is the solute and alcohol is the solvent, or iodine and alcohol mix to each other and this form the solution is known as the tincture of iodine. Clear? It is used as an antiseptic in case of wounds. Okay? Now the next topic, next point, alloys. So what is the alloys? Alloys are the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or a metal or a non-metal, and cannot be separated into any other components by physical method or physical process. Okay, so for example, bronze is an alloy of approximately 88% copper and 12% tin. Okay, so what is the alloy? Alloys are homogeneous mixtures of two or more metals or two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal and cannot be separated into their components by physical method or physical process. Okay, physical method physical methods और physical process. अलॉय क्या होता है? अलॉय एक होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर है, इसमें टू और मोर मेटल्स और अ मेटल और अ नॉन मेटल मिक्स टू ईच अदर, इट्स कैनॉट बी सेपरेटेड, इसको अलग नहीं, कोई भी फिजिकल मेथड से इसको अलग नहीं किया जाता है. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल ब्रोंज. ब्रोंज इज एन अलॉय जिसमें क्या होता है ना, 88% कॉपर, 12% टीन मिक्सअप होके क्या बनता है? ब्रोंज बनाता है, एंड दिस इज द अलॉय. ओके, now the next example, brass. Brass is also an alloy. In this alloy, 70% copper react with or adding with 30% zinc, and it will form brass. Okay, students, so today we have discussed solution, examples, components of solution, properties of solution, types of solution. Clear? So in the next video we will start saturated and unsaturated solution. Thank you so much for watching the video. So please subscribe the channel to get the next update or video. Okay, thank you so much.